You can rest, I mean. So next one is, how can I grow my Atomy business? That's the first question, right? So we are always asking ourselves, oh, did I do enough? How can I do my Atomy business faster? What can I do more to survive this Atomy? I wanted to be financially free. We've said it a lot of times to ourselves, right? Sometimes we are not in a good mood. Sometimes we are so motivated, sometimes unmotivated. Sometimes it's 50-50. In French, they say it comme ci, comme ça. Yeah, 50-50. So we will know today what are the tips on how can I grow my Atomy business. So the first thing, of course, is no doubt, right? So we got this from Harvard Business Online School. So now we are on a Harvard level. So start with the right mindset and vision. Very important. Start with vision, consistency, and belief. Growing an Atomy business starts with clarity and commitment. If we don't have clarity into ourselves why we are doing the Atomy business, what is the urge why we are doing the Atomy business, we will not be able to commit ourselves to do the Atomy business, right? Because it's not clear to us why we do the Atomy business. So the first one is you must have clarity within yourselves in order for you to commit to do the Atomy business. So you are not just selling the products. Remember that. You are building a long-term system. So that is the reason why we have to decide our why. For example, your why is because you wanted to have an extra income, you wanted to have time freedom, you wanted to help others, or let's say all of the above, right? Treat Atomy like a real business. Atomy is not a small business, guys. I have proven this in 5 years of doing Atomy. At the beginning of doing Atomy, I was so brokenhearted because my Atomy business is very slow. But then when I realized, okay, I had a clarity in my mind. This is why I wanted to do Atomy. And everything started to connect around me. And that's how the business grows and grows, not only bigger, but it also stable. Because our business can grow bigger, but what is bigger if the business is not stable, right? So we need to also think about that. So I said, I will repeat it again. Treat Atomy like a real business, not just a side experiment. We are not playing. We are not experimenting. Yes, maybe sometimes, most of the times, we are experimenting of the steps that we can do in order for us to present the products or to present the business. That is the experiment that I'm talking about. But in this one, we do not experiment, like we just not test the waters, right? Because Atomy is a real business. So consistency beats talent. As I've said, I always reiterate it all the time. Small actions done daily create big results. So let me tell you an example. I gained like I was 62 kilos, and now because of my consistent action of 20 minutes per day of Pilates, for example, at the beginning I didn't see a lot of improvement, but now I'm down to 58. So you see, it's already like what, 4 kilos lost in just almost 30 days. So in just a month. So it's a huge improvement for me. And basically I was about to throw some of my clothes, but luckily I put them on a big bag and I restored them. I took them back and put them in my closet because they can, because it's the consistency, right? The next one is, of course, we have to use it. You have to use the product. We have to feel the product, and we have to believe in the products. The fastest way to grow is to be a product of the product. When you genuinely love what you use, sharing becomes natural, not salesy. Before, I will be honest with you guys, when I was starting my Atomy business, it's just all about sales. It was very obvious that I was trying to sell a product. But then I realized when I really love the product and I really appreciate how the effect of the product is for me, it became natural. And people started noticing it. And sometimes I don't say, I don't promote sometimes. They just ask me, Arjoyce, can you please tell me what I can use for my skin? Because I can see your skin is so moisturized. So what can I use? Right? So we have to focus on, of course, based on our personal experience, before and after results, favorite products you can confidently talk about, because people don't trust brochures. Remember that. They trust real stories. So your belief creates curiosity. So make people curious. Now, build relationships, not pressure. This was also one of my mistakes. I was pressuring people because I wanted them to buy the products. But then slowly I realized that building relationship is much better than pressure. Because once you build relationship, people will trust you. People will, how do you say, respect your opinion, and will also, do what you say, like follow what you recommend, because they have trust. Atomy grows through relationships and recommendations. Your job is not to convince, it's to share information and experience. So, simple ways to share, like, this helped me, I thought of you, would you be open to trying this product? Let me send you some info. Let people decide at their own pace. Trust grows when people feel respected, right? Everyone has their own pace. Not not all the people has the same speed like us, right? Everyone has their own timing. And plus the power of visual storytelling on social media. You have to really utilize the social media, because people can see the results when you are showing it, of course. And this is a powerful tool, because not only you can reach the people 5 meters to you, but you can reach the whole world. Next one is your growth, and your growth equals your team's growth. I also have proven this, because before, I really believe my first 2 years of doing the Atomy business, I was a child, so I was thinking like a child. But then when I realized, like, hey, we have to grow, we have to learn more. So the growth shapes us as a person, and when other people feels it, they will also grow as a person. And then when everyone grows as a person, our team grows as a team as well. So Atomy is built on duplication, right? Not doing everything by yourself. We have to teach new partners how to use the products, how to share simply, how to follow the system. You don't need to be perfect. Remember that. You need to be consistent and supportive. When your team grows, your business grows automatically, because that is the essence of Atomy. Leadership is about helping others succeed. All right. So leadership is about helping others succeed, because when our partners succeed, we also succeed. Right? That is Atomy. And next one is consistency creates success. Of course, Atomy is not a get rich quick business. It's a get paid for a long time business. So the results come from daily sharing, ongoing learning, and staying connected to the system. We have to learn. That's why we are doing this meeting every Tuesday, because we wanted to learn deeply about our products. Yeah, of course, some days feel slow, but growth is happening underneath. We just don't realize that we are already growing. Our businesses are already growing. Those who win are the ones who don't quit. Remember that. So there are lots of people who does the Atomy business on fire for 6 months, but then after that, when they experience challenges, they fade away. So those people are quitters, right? So they don't have consistency in their system. So that's why they fail. Stay to the course. We just have to trust the process. As I always say, I don't know how many times did you hear it from me. Trust the process, and success will follow. So I have proven that in the 5 years of my Atomy business. So before I proceed with our updates,